Wow! Wow! Welcome back, fellow YouTubers, fellow subscribers, fellow viewers, fellow medicators, fellows. Well, it's been nothing but snowing, and now it's snowing. It's been crazy here in PA. But, you know, and that still got to kind of keep trucking along. So, DMBLAIR got a package. I got a package. Guess where this package came from? I wonder where this package came from. It's snowing. Could it be from another state? I think so, yes. Comes from Eugene, Oregon. Shout out to Chris at Mystic Roots, one of my very first companies I ever made a review for way back in the day. They got a sale going on, a deal, and I cashed in. I mean, put all the chips on the table, take your hand and play the cards, and ante up, and before you know it, boom, payoff. So what's in the bag, you say? I hear the guy way in the back. What's in the bag? Well, here it is. Nothing else matters. Alright, so here's what we got. Bum, 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 bum. Don't need that no more. Try that again. Don't need that no more. So what we got is 4 10-gram packs of CBD Isolate. Ooh, yeah. So here's the thing. $3 a gram. Do the math. It's not a bad price for 40 grams of isolate, is it? I would say not. Got some paperwork here. There's like all the logistics. And then on the back it says 100% CBD total. That's 1,000 milligrams per gram of this isolate right here. So, I figure why not? Let's burn some. Let's burn some. So this video is basically to help promote the fact that the sale's going on. Use promo code DMBLAIR, capital letters, I'm sure, or maybe not. I don't know. You can just put DMBLAIR so he knows that I referred you. But, I think, I don't know. I'd at least let him know you heard it from me. So, I got this awesome bag of flowers here. It's pretty sweet. Look at these nice little chunkies. These are the flowers here. So, this is the white CBD. Got a few little chunkies here. I like this one. So figure we're going to put some in the little glass smoker, taster, one hitter. I don't know. I'm lost. I don't know what you call it. I guess it's just a bat. Sledgehammer. Alright, so I'm going to take this little bit here, and we're going to crumple it up and put it in here, see, like this. Bring it down to the table. It's heat sealed. I just thought I would try and open it to see. And it is. Get your handy dandy pocket knife. Wow. There we go. Ooh, I lost some on the table. Tastes like wax. So we're gonna in the bag shot. First impression? Smells like baking powder, really. In all honesty. It's nice and sticky. It's moist. So it's good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, still a bit left on there. Taste. Baking powder. Okay, so you see we got that little sucker topped off there. I'm going to take this little pokey thing here and kind of even it out some, so it's kind of going to be an even smoke here. I'll provide you with a link and stuff. I'm not necessarily sure if there is a promo code, but you could at least just put in a description or notes or something. I heard you from DMBLAIR or something. You know, that way he knows where the word came from. So I have to adjourn to the smoking area out in the breezeway, we'll call it. So just hang in there a minute, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, like I said, snow, 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 snow. There's so much of it. My, there we go. My piece of shit car. Fucking thing. Engine blown. Probably just gonna junk the fucking thing. I spent so much money and time. I'm still in debt for that car. Can you believe it? I'm beginning to think that houses and cars are just scams, man. Houses and cars, two of the biggest scams in America. Sort of like fucking boats, I guess. Motorcycles. I don't know. I don't really care to have any of them. So here we go. There it is. You can see it nice and white. All right. Big shout out one more time to Chris, Mystic Roots, brother. hell of a sale. Here's to you, my friend. Long time. We've been friends. We've been working together and all kinds of things, man. And I appreciate you, brother. And I can't wait to hit this. Cheers. Oh, yeah. You can see that just melts. Oh, man. I feel it like almost instantly in my neck. At least I think that's what I feel. It has a flavor all its own. Oh my. I can't wait till spring gets here. I'll do some outdoor videos. I'm going to do a lot of videos outdoors, guys. The whole top's burnt. But it's like liquidy, glassy, glossed over. All right, guys. No danko meter. There was really no smell to it. I feel it like all right here, like poof, and down the sides of my neck, and in the front of my chest. It's good stuff. It's probably like 0.2 of a gram, so that's probably like 200 milligrams. And I feel it. I feel it, Chris. Thank you, brother. Some new DMBLAIR products coming out. Got some pre-rolls, some relief blunts, some BHOs and things for sale over at, I'll leave the description, just so you guys know. If you're new here, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. I mean, I've been thinking about starting like a Patreon. I mean, I don't know. Sorry, guys. A Patreon. I'm not big on like, hey, can you help me out? But you know, I mean, like, so I'm gonna put links to my products in the video description. You may have to just kind of copy and paste them to you know, Google. Search for them. So, till next time, guys. Just before I go, though, I want to say it has a flavor all its own. It's unique. It's just you get over and try it out. Get on this $3 a gram before it goes, man. I mean, $3 a gram. I probably should have put another bid in for some more before I made this video. But till next time, guys. Be safe. Be well, be kind to one another and yourself.